Quick looky-loo at the Kailh Sun and Kailh Sun box switches, which at KeyCon, Mechanical Bionicle just like handed to me because they're funky looking. I mean, look at these weird stems. And of course, the Kailh Sun box, look how you can look straight down and see the spring. Because when you turn them around, these switches are designed for a central LED to shine through. They seem to have normal like MX housings, or at least like housing dimensions, except of course the pins don't match up, which is a choice. They're clicky, they've got a click bar in them, and I'll take them apart after I cut. And it's kind of just what you would expect. Big wide coil spring, contact assembly over here, and of course your click bar. The only interesting thing of note, I think, is the slider rails are built into the top housing, and then those like go and slot into the bottom housing. Otherwise, this is an incredibly bland switch, other than, you know, it's got the through hole for the LED, but they put the contacts in the wrong spot, so you can't actually use them. Weird stuff. I hope you're interested.